Okay then guys, in this one we need to talk about something called carbonates. Now carbonates is a scientific word that means it contains carbon, so carbon, and the second one, 8, means that it contains oxygen. Okay, now for your test you specifically need to know about metal carbonates. So you can have a name of a metal, carbonate, that means it's a metal, carbon and oxygen, and you need to know about a process called thermal decomposition. So we'll start by looking at the one that you should already know about, calcium carbonate. So calcium carbonate is known as limestone and it's used for lots of different things. So calcium carbonate, okay, and we can put this through a process of thermal decomposition. Now thermal means to heat, so thermal heat, and decomposition means to break down. So essentially what thermal decomposition means is when you heat it up it breaks down. So we're going to heat calcium carbonate up and it's going to break down into two things. The first of which is calcium oxide. So calcium oxide. Okay, now if you remember, a carbonate is made of carbon and oxygen. So here we've got calcium, carbon and oxygen. When we heat it up, what we're doing is we're taking away some of this carbon, we're taking away the carbon, so all we're left with is calcium oxide. And the second product that's made is carbon dioxide, because that carbon has gone away and bound to the oxygen where it's burnt. So this could be any metal. We could say zinc carbonate. Okay, and again, much like that one with calcium, we could say that zinc carbonate goes to zinc oxide plus carbon dioxide. Okay, it doesn't matter what the metal is, so long as you always turn it into an oxide. Okay, the last thing we need to talk about in this video is about lime water. Now lime water is what we use to test if carbon dioxide is produced. So lime water will turn cloudy when carbon dioxide is present. Full stop. So you may have a test tube full of lime water, and when you bubble carbon dioxide through it, what you should see is that it turns into like a very cloudy mixture. It won't be clear. So make sure for your test you understand these word equations. You can describe what thermal decomposition is. You heat something up and it breaks down, and you know that lime water will turn cloudy when carbon dioxide is present.